Maryland law currently prohibits firearms on K-12 school property. This bill extends that to college campuses.
159 has got to go. Hey, hey, ho, ho.
Gun control a polarizing issue on the street, as well as inside the State House.
84 in the affirmative, 49 in the negative.
Although the vote to prohibit firearms on college campuses wasn't close, those for and against spoke close from the heart.
This is a population that we can directly impact and protect.
Newsflash, people who are breaking laws are not going to respect this law, just like they don't respect other laws.
Violators are guilty of a misdemeanor, subject to 3 years in jail and a $1,000 fine. Efforts to amend the measure, allowing someone who has a concealed carry permit and a letter from the state police indicating their life may be in immediate danger, failed. Bill opponents also argued college campuses would be safer without the gun ban.
I have 4 children, 3 of whom are in colleges here in the state of Maryland. I would feel far more safe for them if good law-abiding citizens who follow the law and have carry permits would be there in the case of, God forbid, something terrible would happen.
The legislation exempts law enforcement officers, retired law enforcement officers, security guards, a person engaged in shooting activity for educational purposes. It does not apply to private property used by a college institution. Gun control advocates, such as Marylanders to Prevent Gun Violence, consider the legislation an extension of current law.
Under current Maryland law, schools in K-12 have this same firearm prohibition, and this is just extending that to the higher education campuses. And in addition to that, the higher education campuses all already have policies that prevent firearms on campuses.
Maryland Shall Issue, a pro-Second Amendment group, issued a statement saying, in part, this legislation senselessly and severely criminalizes otherwise innocent conduct and wrongly disarms persons who have actually demonstrated a pressing need to carry a firearm. The House is more concerned about disarming the people than about keeping them safe. A Senate committee will hear a similar bill March 8th, unofficially known this year as Gun Bill Day. In Annapolis, David Collins, WBAL TV 11 News.